ABC ride, just ready to leave the barracks. Lovely bit of scenery here. I'm just heading towards Chalford now, so lots of people walking the wall. There's quite a few bikes here, like we've got that. I mean, we're right at the front of the pack of it, but there's a few in front of me. And then the road crew in front of them, so quite a few bikes. Very warm today, very, very warm. Well, the clouds have taken the scorch off the sun, really, like, I mean the scorch, but it is really warm, really warm. I think we're going from Chalford, Bellingham, Bellingham, Otterburn, and then on to Alnwick, so we've just come through Bellingham. We're heading back towards the 68 now, actually. No. Well, it's absolutely stunning day, isn't it? Beautiful, man. Beautiful. A beautiful day. Woo. Well, that's us just coming into Rothbury. Lovely road, this road out to Rothbury, like you past Codger's Fort and that and Fontaine Reservoir. It's a lovely road. Out Rothbury into Rothbury. Steve on the bridge taking the photographs. What parade? On the road, Barry. Yeehaw! Past Cragside. Got the police here. That's us just arriving at Alnwick. And we stay here for an hour for refreshments. And then they'll be going on to Boomer, and then they'll be going from Boomer down to Tynemouth. But I will be going back from here home. because it's flipping red hot and Geordie's in the house after. I mean, the house is well ventilated. It's probably cooler in the house than what it would be outside actually, but still, I'm going back from here, so I might get a little bit of recording going back to him. I don't know. We'll see. The road should be shut down here for us to for the bike for us to park in, like, because it happens a bunch every year, so and it's arranged. But hopefully the roads around the bottom of the market square and what have you, so you usually park up there. So we shall see. Sure it'll be the same. Wow, she's warm. It's on. Different, yes. Coming in. Right, that's me finished it, Annie.
Phone connected.
Most of them are still there, like, I mean, we've been there for 3/4 of an hour or something, so, but I'm on my way home, like I said I was. I'm not going down to Puma. See Geordie, like,
Phone connected. Phone connected.
Do I put that in the in the house would be better. It's, I don't know. The house would be cooler than what it was outside, but it's off colour a bit anyway, so I don't like to leave them too long. And if I can go down to Boomer in time, it's going to be bloody 6, 7 o'clock before I get home. That's just too long, that night. To leave him by himself. Never mind. Anyhow, we're on the way. On the way home. Beautiful, isn't it? Ellingham there, down on the right in the bottom, Ellingham Castle, Ellingham Church. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Rothby. I understand. These videos are quite repetitive, really, aren't they? I record little bits, just the bloody villages and that we're going through, really, like. Or any decent sights. People at the bottom watch. Well, that was Elton. Next stop, Otterburn. Forgot to put the camera on. Give it to him. Just at home. Yeehaw. How about that? Jesus. It's bloody warm. I don't know. A nice clean bike's not clean anymore, that's for sure. I gotta get my gloves off my hands on that bloody sweating.